Quack, quack goes the ducky. What do you gotta say? The service is shitty here.
Welcome to The Journey, where Jen and Mike, two travel professionals, taking you along for our ride.
We got the chicken tenders and the macaroni and cheese bites. Jen's doing a dip of the ranch dressing.
We did ask our server if we could replace the ranch dressing with blue cheese, and we were told there would be an upcharge for any condiments, so we said we would get ketchup instead, and we were told there would be an upcharge for that as well. Out of all of our dining experiences, we have never seen that before. I did reach out to Sugar Factory via Instagram to ask if that is their policy. However, we did not receive an official answer back. We were really excited to try Sugar Factory, however, this visit left a sour taste in our mouth.
We've had the crab cakes from Cedars. We've had the chicken parm from Autostrada. And I gotta tell you, the best thing I've tasted in Foxwoods so far is this. Macaroni and cheese lollipop. Top 2 of Restaurant Wars. We're at Wahl Burgers, which is right next to the Sugar Factory. So I'm gonna do the double-decker burger this time. I gotta say, although the appetizers were great at Sugar Factory, the service was subpar.
Oh no.
So far, the service at Wahl Burgers is phenomenal. In our previous videos, you will know that Donnie Wahlberg greeted us at this restaurant. Very hospitable, very approachable. He's filming the new version of Blue Bloods. It's in Boston. Double-decker burger. Lovely Jen got the single burger with the fries. They call it a burger. It looks pretty bomb city to me. We got the wall sauce on the side. You always want to try a burger basic, see what it's like. Better than Five Guys, in my opinion. That's a good burger. What do you think, young lady?
Agreed. Cooked to perfection.
The difference between Sugar Factory and Wahl Burgers, ketchup's free here. No upcharge. I'm gonna adjust my score. The best bite of Foxwoods is at Wahl Burgers. This beats the mac and cheese.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Cheers.